Hi guys, we're going to talk about nonlinear system of equations in two variables. Here is example for linear equation. We have 2x plus y equal to 4, 3x minus y equal to 10. The normal way we solve this is we use elimination. Elimination comes from addition, which just means x plus x. Here is 5x. And we have a positive y, negative y, 0, so it's gone, equal to 14. And later on we solve for it, divide by 5 both sides. X equals to 14 over 5. For the nonlinear part, sometimes we will have x squared minus y squared equals to 3. And second one, 2x plus y squared equals to 5. And you notice the difference between the linear here compared to here. We have one has x squared and another one have just 1 here. For my y, I have y squared. I have only 1 here. So any things for the variables that raise to the second power, they count as nonlinear. Okay, to solve this, we have multiple ways. Sometimes we use eliminations, sometimes we use substitution, or even we use graphing. For elimination method, in this case, it's more convenient because if you just think about try to eliminate them by adding, what you will get is x squared plus 2x. Okay, we don't know. X squared plus 2x is not equal to 3x squared or 3x. So we keep it x squared plus 2x. However, for the negative y squared and y squared, this cancel out. And now we have that equal to 8. X squared plus 2x equal to 8. Can we solve for this? I think what happens if we move 8 to one side, and we now have x squared plus 2x minus 8 equals 0. And we learn so many ways, like factoring, how we solve this. So we put up the 8, negative 8. What's the factor of 8? Give you positive 2. One is 4 and negative 2. So we can factor this into x plus 4. X minus 2 equals 0. And to solve for 0, we know that according to zero product rule, x plus 4 equals 0. And then x minus 2 equals 0. Subtract 4 both sides because I don't have enough space, so I'm going to just write the answer. And plus 2 both sides. This will be x equal to 2. That's how we found our solution. We have two solutions. Are we finished? No, we just found x. We need to find y. Okay, to find y, we have to use our x, what we found for x, substitute to the equation to find y. So we can pick either one. For x equal to negative 4, let's pick the first one here. I have negative 4 squared minus y squared equal to 3. And negative 4 squared is 16 minus y squared equal to 3. As a result, you want to solve for y, then you have to subtract 16. Subtract 16 both sides. 16 is gone, negative y squared equal to 3 minus 16 is negative 13. And we have negative. We want to divide by negative 1 both sides, so we want a positive y. And positive y equal to y squared. Positive y squared equal to 13. And we want to solve this. We have to square root both sides. And square root we cancel out the square. And remember, according to the square root property, we have a positive and negative square root of 13. But we're not finished yet, because what we found, the x equal to negative 4, is the one we just did. We have another solution, which is x equal to 2. So to continue to look for the other solution. Give me 1 second. Let me see, what do I need to do? So let me come to the new one. Okay, when x equal to 2 now, we have x squared minus 3x equal 3. This is the first equation we use, equation number 1. And now we plug in 2 squared minus y squared equal to 3. 4 squared minus y squared equal to 3, because 2 squared is 4. To solve this, subtract 4 both sides. This is gone. Negative y squared equal to negative 1. And we have negative, so we don't want negative by dividing negative 1. So we have positive now. Positive y squared equal to 1. Let me extend this, solve the rest of them here. So to solve this, square root of y both sides. And square root of y squared is y. What I have on the right side, we make sure it's positive and negative 1. And square root of 1 is 1. So it's positive or negative 1. So if you record all the solution, first of all, we have, when I have x equal to 2, right, solution set will be written as 2. And then I should have negative 1 and 2. I have positive 1. That's the solution for this page. But remember, we have 2x. So let's go back to the previous one. When I have x equals to negative 4, I will have y equal to positive radical 13 and negative 4, negative radical 13. Oh, shoot, I couldn't write. And the second solution is negative 4 and negative radical 13. So overall, we have 4 solutions. We have negative 4, radical 13, negative 4, negative radical 13, and what about 2, negative 1, and 2, positive 1.